Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's second online session of chapter number 2. And as you know already, the name of our chapter number 2 is Long and Short. Now today also we are going to revise some new topics of chapter number 2. Let us see. In this I am giving some statement to you. You have to just guess and write true and false for the statement. So let us see. Your first statement is height of your friend is 160 centimeter. Now what you have to do? You have to just here think that if we want to measure the height of any person, then we are using centimeter unit or not. If we are using centimeter unit, then just write down true. And if we are not if we are not measuring centimeter unit, then we have to write down false. So here if we want to measure the height of your friend, then that measure in centimeter? Yes. So what you have to write down? You have to write down true. Next, length of your lunch box is 15 meter. If you want to measure the lunch box, then you can use meter unit? No. Where we have to use the meter unit? If we have to measure any of the cloth or somewhat big materials, then we are using meter unit. But our lunch box is small. So what we have to use to measure the length of your lunch box? We have to use centimeter unit. But in this statement they were given meter. So this statement is false. Now the next statement. Distance from your house to the market is 1 kilometer. Here we have to assume that the market is somewhat far away from our house. So if we want to measure the distance from our house to the market, then that is the big. So we have to use kilometer unit. So this statement is true. Now another one. Height of the cupboard in your house is 150 centimeter. So see here, if we want to measure the height of the cupboard, so that is the 150 centimeter. We can say that 150 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and 50 centimeter. So is it right or wrong? This one is wrong. So we have to write down false. Now let us see one another. Here I am giving one table to you. In that left hand side you can see the name of the player, whereas in right hand side I am giving that the distance of 6 hit from the pitch. So Sachin, the distance is 90 meter. Then Sehwag 105 meter and 5 centimeter. Yuvraj 114 meter and 15 centimeter. Virat 94 meter. Now some of the question I am giving regarding this table. So your first question is, who hit the longest 6? So now in this you have to see that who hit the longest 6 means the distance should be maximum. So see here, the distance of the 6 hit from the pitch. For the Sachin, it's a 90 meter. Sehwag 105 meter and 5 centimeter. Yuvraj 114 meter 15 centimeter and Virat 494 meter. So whose one is the longest? Yuvraj. And how much it is long? So in this you have to just write down the measurement. So the distance of the 6 hit from the pitch for the Yuvraj is 114 meter and 15 centimeter. Now your another question. Who hit the shortest 6? So in this you have to find out the shortest measurement. Which one is the shortest measurement? 90 meter, that is the shortest measurement. So your answer is Sachin. Sachin hit the shortest 6. And how much it is short? So you have to write down just the length, that is the 90 meter. Then after, how much is the total distance between the sixes hit by the Sachin and Sehwag? So see here, the hit 6 by Sachin is 90 meter and for the Sehwag is 105 meter and 5 centimeter. So just do the addition. 105 meter, 5 centimeter plus 90 meter. So the addition of this both is 195 meter and 5 centimeter. Now again some question regarding this table. First one. How much long is the 6 hit by the Sehwag than Virat? See here, they were asking about that the Sehwag, what is the difference between how much it is longest? 6 hit by the Sehwag than Virat. So here you have to do the subtraction. 105 meter 5 centimeter minus 94 meter. So the subtraction of this both number is 11 meter and 5 centimeter. The total distance of 6 hit by which two player is the most? So here you have to find out which two player hits more, that is the Sehwag and Yuvraj, and how much it is. So do the addition. 105 meter 5 centimeter plus 114 meter and 15 centimeter. So just do the addition of this both number. So the answer is 219 meter and 20 centimeter. Again, the total distance of 6 is hit by which two player is the least. Least means minimum. Which two player hits the minimum distance? It covers the minimum distance and how much? So Sachin and Virat, these both are the players which cover the least distance, means minimum distance, and how much it is? Do the addition. 90 meter plus 94 meter. So the addition of this both number is 184 meter. Thank you. I hope you all understand these all things.